This is part 2 of cleaning your dryer vent system. In the first video, we showed you how to clean below your lint trap. This time we're going to show you how to clean behind your dryer. And as you can see, there's a lot of junk behind here too, and dust and bunnies and all that, which when you got it out, great time to clean it up. What you'll notice on this dryer here, there's a short pipe. You might have one that's very long, maybe 4 feet, 6 feet, 8 feet. So you're going to want to clean that thing out too. So you may want to take off both screws, take it outside, use a tool like this to clean it out, or something long to get in it also. Maybe the same brush you're going to use when you clean the outside vent. But anyway, I want to show you inside real quick. Let me get my flashlight here. What it looks like inside. You can just kind of see it's just a long vent pipe, but inside there can be a lot of dust built up. In fact, if you have dust in your lint trap, you're going to have dust here too, most likely. So you can use a tool like I showed you before. It's this vacuum attachment that attaches to your vacuum. It's flexible, and it comes with 3 different attachments that can plug into whatever vacuum cleaner you might have to make it fit. So you can shove it in there. I'm not going to turn the vacuum on, 'cause it's just going to make a lot of noise, but you get an idea, and it'll go all the way to the back, and you can just clean it out. So not only that, but the brush here can come in very handy, because this brush before, like I showed you, is flexible. It's 30 inches long. It has long and short bristles. If you got a lot of lint in there, you can shove it in there and pull the lint out, and then you'll have to see some came out right there. But and then you have to clean it up off the floor. It makes a bit of a mess if you got a lot of dryer lint, but you need to get it out of there. Next time you clean it, it won't be near as bad. So clean that good, re-inspect it. And if you look over here, this is the vent going to the outside. You can also use the same tool since you got it off, and if you have it attached to your vacuum, you just use your hand to get it down in there and fit it down there more to clean it out. Because depending on your house, it could go out, it goes in and then drops down and then shoots out in some cases. And that's where the brush will also come in handy. If you have a lot, shove it down in there. You can bend the brush to fit down into almost any angle and then pull it out. So another thing you might want to do is, before you connect the vent pipe back, is if you're going to clean the outside, this might be a good opportunity to do that, is if you have a long vent pipe going from here to outside, you may want to take your tool to clean outside, which we'll show you in the third video what we use, because you may want to clean from this side and the outside if it's a long run. If it's not, then you can put it back together, and then we can show you in the third video. Anyway, so the tools that you just saw are found below this video. You'll see the links. They'll take you to Amazon, in our Amazon store, which we sell these same things, same tools that we've designed. See you in the next video.